Happy weekend to you, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin, and yes, it is Friday, April 4th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Red Lake Exploration Incorporated. Red Lake Exploration is focused on acquiring, exploring, and developing mineral properties in Chile. The company's headquarters are located in Richmond, Canada. Their primary project, the Farellon property, is situated in the promising Canadalaria iron oxide copper gold belt. Now let's jump right into our headline news from Thursday. Research in Motion Limited says its fiscal fourth quarter profit and sales more than doubled as the BlackBerry maker boosted its subscriber base and shipped about 4.4 million of its smartphones. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke told Congress yesterday the Fed expects to recover most, if not all, the $29 billion worth of loans it made to keep struggling Bear Stearns companies from collapse. Bernanke's remarks, in which he defended the central bank's decision to aid J.P. Morgan Chase and Company's buy of Bear Stearns, were calming to investors, hoping that demand is returning the tight credit markets. The market opened this morning with the Dow up 20.20 points or 0.16%. That's good news. The Nasdaq also up 1.90 points or 0.08%, and the S&P 500 up 1.78 points or 0.13%. And now let's look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Small cap headlines are brought to you by Global Roaming Distribution Incorporated. Global Roaming Distribution is the parent company of CelTrek, an international global SIM card company. CelTrek is the first U.S.-based company of its kind that offers one SIM card for use in all 7 continents at an extremely competitive price. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight CelTrek Incorporated, up 22% with over 73,000 shares traded. CelTrek announced today that it has acquired NextNow China Incorporated via a share exchange agreement. CelTrek is the parent corporation with a name change and a new board of directors slated for the near future. NextNow China's primary business initiative is to become a premier exporter of sports-related media content to China. Initially, NextNow will focus on the delivery of U.S. minor league basketball and streetball content or culture to China via television, broadband, and mobile distribution. eDoorways Corporation is up a whopping 187% with over 463,000 shares traded. eDoorways Corporation shares climbed 714% since our one-to-watch recommendation at 0.007 cents a share, where they were boosted by today's news that eDoorways has retained Applied Storytelling, a San Francisco-based consulting firm specializing in brand development for market leaders as well as highly innovative startups, to develop eDoorways' brand and rollout strategy. Mariner's Choice International Incorporated is up 66% with 7,000 shares traded. Mariner's Choice International announced today that the company is beginning to see traction and growth of its private label products business in new niche markets such as the $14.5 billion recreational vehicle market, the $257 billion automotive aftermarket market, the $45 billion aviation market, and the $4 billion pool and spa aftermarket, both domestically and abroad. And guess what? That is it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks daily newsletter for the latest news and commentary from small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And please be sure to see the disclaimer on the QualityStocks.net website. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin. Have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you again right here on our daily report on Monday.